Hey guys, welcome to SC Custom Designs. I'm doing a real quick tip on how to clean up the back of this bandsaw box. Okay, so basically I've rough cut it out on the bandsaw, the back, and I glued it on here. But as you can see, I like to leave a little bit more for safety, right? So that's just what I do. All right, so now there's several ways to clean that up. I'm going to show you one of them that's going to mostly clean it up. Okay, so essentially what we're going to do, and I'm going to go ahead and zoom in. Hopefully this is going to be okay. Okay, sorry guys watching on the big TVs. Hopefully I don't drop my camera. Okay, hopefully that'll do it. Again, you're at SC Custom Designs. Let's see, let's show you our card. We are very excited to always be working in the shop. Today is Labor Day, and I got to just spend pretty much all day down here in the shop. And this is the key right here. We're going to use your router. Your router is unplugged. You want to make sure of that. Okay, so we're just going to reach in here real quick and take off the, hopefully you can see all this. Let's take this off. And we're going to, I had a little bit of a round over bit on here. A bit of a round over. Let's take this guy off. Should have got the bigger wrench. Sometimes I like to make it harder than it needs to be. Alright, pull this guy off. This is the bit that we're going to use. Right here. This is an edge cleaner. Now it's not going to get in all the edges. I realize that. But it's going to get most of the edges. For sure. Alright, let's make sure that you can see what I'm saying here. Yes, we're doing a little bit of experimentation by zooming in so that you can see more of what's going on. My friend Barney in the UK, I want you to turn up your volume, buddy. I can't hear you half the time, and I really enjoy your videos. I just watched them all caught up this weekend. Barney's in the UK, please look him up. He does things that I don't do, and that's just what makes it fun to learn from, especially Barney. He's got years and years of experience on this planet. Retired and just having fun in the wood shop. I love to watch him. So there you go. Appreciate any feedback also for my videos. The biggest complaint I get is that I don't work fast enough. No. Is that I shake around a lot. And until I get a better system, it's just the way it's going to be. I apologize for that. So this is your basic hand router. I'm not a representative for this company. I just use the tools. So essentially, to clean this up, all I'm going to do is I'm going to set the level. So, just so that the bearing is going to touch just underneath the stock. That's kind of how that works. That's as simple as it gets, my friends. Okay, so it's locked in there, and then you want to definitely have just a safe way to work. Make sure that there's nothing under you, around you, stopping you from working safely. Make sure your power button is off. Why do I say all this? Because you betcha I've had issues in the past where things were on and I turned them on and had 10 heart attacks. Okay, let's see if we're still able to see what I'm doing. Yes. Alright, so watch how quickly I can clean this up. Let's see if I can just show you again. Hopefully that's focused. So it's really, now I could use a sander. I got this new guy under here that I use. It's battery operated. Look that review up. It's okay. All right, for the money, it's okay. I can't complain too much. Is it a Festool? No, I actually don't have any Festool equipment. I don't have that kind of money in my shop at the moment. So here we go. Alright, so it is by no means, done, but I just saved myself a lot of time by taking off the bulk of the material. I can very quickly clean this up with a hand sander. You could go over to your spindle sander, do that sort of thing, so we'll see what exactly I end up doing. Who knows? But that's just a quick tip. Use this little bit of trim router bit here. It really comes in handy for cleaning up when you're putting backs on bookcases and that type of thing. Cleans up, brand spanking new. Just very, very nice. So all those types of things. All right, thanks for coming into the shop. And yeah, this is yet another bandsaw box that we are throwing together with scraps of wood that are around the shop, and we've got the other two gluing up over there. I got a customer order actually here, but there's the other two. And the future bandsaw boxes, there's one of them, and you can see I just take scraps of wood from around the shop and I glue them up, and I'll take the clamps off, put them back in clamp land, and I may even forget about that wood, and then I'll trip on it and say, hey, look at that, we can make another bandsaw box. And here's another interesting configuration going on. It's sometimes the way the wood looks to me in the shapes that it's going to be in, that speaks to me, and that's where some of the design comes from. So the other ones that we did at our show are packed away that didn't sell, and you can see that they were very, very, very interesting. So we have a lot of fun here. Thanks for coming to the shop at C Custom Designs. Hopefully you like the tip. And this may be a miracle, but I'm done. We're done with the video. Just a real quick tip. If you like what you see, please subscribe to our channel. We appreciate that. So there you go. Take care.